Yeah.
Alright, wow, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alright, I'm not glad none today because we got the best teacher worldwide visiting us today. Want to share about English, about British accent. We got to the best in worldwide nowadays. Mr. Petra and Mr. Ari today can hold this community, can take a lead this community. Can share something about if you can't learn anything about how to speak language speaker worldwide nowadays. Alright. Today I want to share, my experience on how to learn mastering something like, language or languages or, for a language, right? Or something, memorizing new vocabulary, not only Arabic but also Spanish or English or idiom words nowadays or accent, I do very truly happy because I hear from Mr. Ari can mastering with the accent or American accent. But next time I met people from United States, I use American accent. While people from United Kingdom I use with the accent. But I do love for American accent. How do you learn mastering something about knowledge or English? For me, listening very important. At a time, first now it says there are 2 for December 20 at a time. 2003 at a time. I started learning Arabic language, memory, but vocabulary almost right at a time. Almost just only 3 months. I go to school, with we start at a time. Speak every language. Obviously now it says there are 2 for December 20 at a time. I don't know about it because I don't know exactly about Arabic language because I don't have the friend how to practice that. It's there at 9 at a time. NGO non-government organization time is in Aceh, exactly Indonesia. At a time, man, a speaker. At a time, man, a foreigner. I can learn many accent worldwide at a time. I start learning English during 9 at a time. I can't speak English during 10 at a time. At a time, man, a lot of tourists or foreigner worldwide, not only from United States, Europe, Australia, Switzerland, Scotland, but also exactly like Turkey or Middle East at the time. But how is mastering that? Yeah, first reading or listening very important, and then practicing. But people say reading a lot, very totally can be reading if vocabulary, it's very totally important. Reading a lot, read by read, and writing. But I'm not capable of, but I'm not capable of to writing because very totally write back. But like practicing because as tourist guide, spoke again and again, speak very tall a lot. So I have to practice with myself at the time. Alright, that's my time. That's my my tips. How to mastering that? Just listening and then notice the vocabulary. That's my time and speeding it up. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.